In the business report, corporate executives have made major moves in the last few weeks. The Board of Directors of Edufocal Limited has announced the appointment of seasoned business executive Harry Campbell as a director and chairman of the board, effective September 2, 2025. He replaced longtime chairman and current managing director of British Caribbean insurance company Peter Levy, who resigned on June 13, 2025, after 12 years of distinguished service at Edufocal. The board of directors of CAC 2000 is confirming that Michael Murray has stepped down from his role as financial controller effective August 28, 2025. The board thanks Mr. Murray for his service and contributions to the company and wishes him well in his future endeavors. Sagicor Financial Limited has announced Jamaican David Noel as its latest hire to join the leadership team of the Caribbean financial conglomerate. In a release, Sagicor Financial said it has appointed Noel as an executive vice president and chief operating officer for the Caribbean operation, effective September 8, 2025. In this capacity, he will report to Andre Massot, the President and Chief Executive Officer of Sagicor Financial. Noel's responsibility will span operational driving strategy, execution, and performance across the Caribbean. Tax Administration Jamaica is reminding business persons that employers' monthly statutory deduction for August 2025, along with the third quarter estimated corporate income tax, self-employed statutory obligations, are due on Monday, September 15, 2025. The adjustment to the due date on statutory deduction is as a result of the usual deadline, the 14th of the month, falls on the weekend. The tax types associated are estimated corporate income tax, third quarter, self-employed statutory payments, third quarter, monthly statutory deductions which cover PAYE, as well as education tax, NHT, NIS, and HART contributions deducted on behalf of employees. Employers are also reminded that making timely payment of their monthly SO1 not only ensures compliance but also makes them eligible for employment tax credit, which may be applied to reduce their income tax liability. Time now for a report on the financial market highlights from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending September 9, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican shares with 4,092,348 units traded, representing 39.33% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,004,818 units traded, representing 9.66% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited U.S. shares with 926,321 units traded, representing 8.90% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 9, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $62.44 million purchased and US $54.32 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.95 per dollar, selling the US at $161.44 and buying the US at $159.49. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.54 per transaction, with selling at $116.69 and buying at $114.15. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.01 in profits, with selling at $219.46 and buying at $211.05. and 45 cents. For the credit report tip of the day, turn your credit report into a power move. Start by adding purpose to every account you open, credit cards, loans, or mortgages. Show discipline with payments, keep balances low, and let your portfolio tell the story that you're ready for more approvals, more access, more wealth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.